Giorgio berterima kasih kepada Sergio Lovers, tentunya menggunakan bahasa Inggris di Instagramnya. Mari kita dengarkan bersama-sama. Bentar ya.
Semuanya sehat selalu ya. It's been a while since my last post, so I want to take this opportunity to speak to you directly. First of all, I want everyone to know that Sarenda and I are healthy, and we're taking some time off from social media so we can spend more quality time together. From the bottom of my heart, I would like to say thank you to all Sergios. Thank you for standing by us over the past year, for your prayers, your support, and your unwavering belief in us. I also want to express my sincere gratitude to every brand and partners who have continued to place their trust in us. We truly appreciate every opportunity that you have given us. As many of you know, there has been countless rumors, false accusation, and negative stories circulating about Sarenda and me. We choose not to respond with anger or hatred because we understand that many people simply do not know us personally or the truth of what we've been through. I hope we continue to be a community that spreads kindness, love, and positivity. Let's never allow negativity to define who we are. We genuinely forgive those who have misunderstood or judged us unfairly. However, for those who have intentionally created and spread false information with the purpose of harming others, we believe the appropriate legal process should take its course. To every Sergios, please keep believing, keep your faith strong. Every challenge is temporary, and we truly believe that better days are ahead. It's simply a chapter that is making us stronger, wiser, and more grateful than ever before. We miss every one of you and can't wait to see you guys again, whether it's through our live stream, events, or wherever our paths cross. Until then, please take care of yourself, stay healthy, and continue to spread kindness wherever you go. Terima kasih semuanya sudah mengikuti kita semua sampai hari ini, dan God bless you all. We'll see you again very soon. Bye-bye.
Nah, teman-teman bisa lihat sendiri ya caranya
Halo semuanya.
Giorgio tentunya berterima kasih kepada my fansnya yang sudah menemani dia selama ini. Tentunya kepada fansnya yang positive thinking, yang tentunya nge-support sangat luar biasa. Seperti itulah inti dari apa yang diceritakan Giorgio ini. Seperti itu ya teman-teman. Nah, ini jadi PR nih buat haters kan. Jadi kebingungan. Karena kalau pakai bahasa Indonesia pasti gimana ya teman-teman? Pasti akan dipelintir-pelintir sama haters. Kalau kayak bahasa Inggris gini mereka jadi lebih ngotak kalau mereka punya otak. Bila perlu nanti Sarwenda kalau mau bikin konten berterima kasih kepada my fansnya pakai bahasa Chinese aja gitu, kayak biar pasti lebih pusing lagi mereka gitu. Karena kayaknya kalau pakai bahasa Indonesia itu lebih membuat gampang dipelintir nggak sih kan gitu ya teman-teman. Jangan lupa follow TikTok Gio.